Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version iOS 17, and guys, after updating your iPhone your camera is not working, only black screen is showing. So guys, if you have this type of problem, as you can see here, when I am going to open my camera, and guys, you can see facing this issue only black screen. So guys, when I am going to change mode, then still facing this issue. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to do some settings on your iPhone. Open your settings, scroll it below, and guys, you have to find here camera. So guys, here is the option of camera. Simply you have to click on this tab, click on preserve settings, and guys, here is the option of camera mode. If it is turned off, you need to turn on it. And guys, after doing this you have to go back, and guys, you need to reset your iPhone only settings. Simply you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, here is the option of reset all settings. So guys, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, here is the option of software update. So guys, now I have installed iOS 17. So guys, simply you have to check for another update on your iPhone. So guys, as you can see here, I have another update on my iPhone, that is iOS 17.2.1. So guys, simply you have to install this update on your iPhone, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after updating, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to try another method, that is you have to click on Apple Sport, and guys, after this you have to wait, select your gadget, scroll it below, click on more, and guys, after this you need to find your camera, click on this, and guys, after this you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of call. Simply you have to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem that you are facing related camera, and guys, they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.